Hi everyone, my name is Neha, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you a shortcut trick to memorizing the trigonometric ratios in standard angles chart in trigonometry. Let's get started. So, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, and 90 degrees are the standard angles in trigonometry. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta, and cosec theta are the 6 trigonometric ratios in trigonometry. Sin theta is equal to the perpendicular side of a triangle divided by the hypotenuse of a triangle. Cos theta is equal to the base of a triangle divided by the hypotenuse of a triangle. Tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, or the perpendicular side divided by the base of a triangle. Cot theta is equal to the base of a triangle divided by the perpendicular side of a triangle. Sec theta is equal to the hypotenuse of a triangle divided by the base of a triangle. And finally, cosec theta is equal to the hypotenuse of a triangle divided by the perpendicular side of a triangle. If you want more information about these trigonometric ratios and the basics of trigonometry, you can go ahead and check my video on the basics of trigonometry for more information. With that said, let's go on to our chart. Our first row that we have is sin theta. What you're going to do for the first row is you're going to list out the numbers numerically, starting from 0. So you have 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to divide all of these numbers by 4. So you have 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, and 4 by 4. What you're going to do after that is you're going to square root the numerator and the denominator. So we have root 0 by root 4, then root 1 by root 4, root 2 over root 4, root 3 over root 4, and root 4 over root 4. Root 0, for sin 0 theta, we know that root 0 is equal to 0 and root 4 is equal to 2. So, our answer for sin 0 theta is 0 over 2, or 0, because when 0 is divided by any number, that fraction will equal to 0. For root 1 over root 4, we know that root 1 is equal to 1 and root 4 is equal to 2. Therefore, our answer for sin 30 theta is going to equal 1 over 2. For sin 45 theta, we have root 2 over root 4. Root 2 and root 4 share a common factor of 2. We can cut that off from the numerator and the denominator, and we get root 1 over root 2. Root 1 is equal to 1, and we can't simplify root 2 in the denominator anymore. So, the answer that we get for sin 45 theta is equal to 1 over root 2. For sin 60 theta, we have root 3 over root 4. We can't simplify root 3 anymore in the numerator, and root 4 in the denominator can become 2. So the answer that we get for sin 60 theta is equal to root 3 over 2. And finally, for sin 90 theta, root 4 over root 4 can become 1. For our second row, cos theta, all we have to do is look at our first row, sin theta, and write it backwards. So cos 0 theta will be 1, since sin 90 theta was 1. Then cos 30 theta will be root 3 over 2. Cos 45 theta is equal to 1 over root 2. Cos 60 theta is equal to 1 over 2. And cos 90 theta is equal to 0. What we're going to do for tan theta is we're going to take the sin theta value that we get and we're going to divide that by the cos theta value that we get. Because if you remember in our trigonometric ratios, tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta, or the perpendicular side of a triangle divided by the base of a triangle. So, therefore, we divide the sin theta value by the cos theta value. For tan 0 theta, we have 0 over 1, which is equal to 0. For tan 30 theta, we have 1 over 2 divided by root 3 over 2. We can cancel the 2 and 2 from the numerator and the denominator, and we get 1 over root 3. For tan 45 theta, we have 1 over root 2 divided by 1 over root 2, which can become 1. Root 3 over 2 divided by 1 over 2 for tan 60 theta is equal to root 3, because the 2 and 2 can cancel from the numerator and the denominator, and all we're left with is root 3 over 1, which is equal to root 3. Finally, for tan 90 theta, we have 1 over 0, which is undefined, or ND. It's undefined because no matter how much we try to multiply nothing times some number to equal 1, we cannot turn nothing into 1. For cot theta, what you're going to do is you're going to look at tan theta and you're going to the previous line, tan theta, the third row in the chart, and write it backwards. So cot 0 theta is undefined, cot 30 theta is root 3, cot 45 theta is 1, cot 60 theta is 1 over root 3, and cot 90 theta is equal to 0. For sec theta, what you're going to do is you're going to join a line between sec and cos theta. And the reason I'm drawing a line is because both of these are the reciprocals of each other. So if we take the cos value, then it will be the reciprocal or the opposite of sec theta. Reciprocal means that when we have a fraction, let's say 1/2, the reciprocal of 1/2 would be 2 over 1 or 2. So sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. So sec 0 theta would be 1, because if you convert 1 into a fraction, that would be 1 over 1. And when you flip 1 over 1, you would still get 1. The reciprocal of root 3 over 2 for cos 30 theta would be 2 over root 3. For sec 45 theta, we would get root 2. For sec 60 theta, we would get 2 over 1, which is equal to 2 for sec 60 theta. And finally, for sec 90 theta, our answer that we would get is undefined, because the opposite of 0 is equal to undefined, because we write 0 as a fraction as 0 over 1, and when we flip that, we know that 1 over 0 is undefined. Finally, for our last row, what we're going to do for cosec theta is we're going to draw a line between cosec theta and sine theta. This means that cosec theta and sine theta are the reciprocals of each other. So, cosec 0 theta is equal to undefined. Cosec 30 theta is equal to 2. Cosec 45 theta is equal to root 2. Cosec 60 theta is equal to 2 over root 3. And finally, cosec 90 theta is equal to 1. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you liked it. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification button so you never miss any updates on this channel. Bye! I hope you like this video.